Hey, are you thinking of getting your van signed, written or wrapped? Well, don't do anything until you watch this video. I'm going to share some tips to get your van and your business noticed, and also share some terrible mistakes that I've seen that have cost businesses money and cost them a bit of embarrassment, so stay tuned.
Marketing tools that win you more work. Digitool.
Getting your van signed, written or wrapped is a fantastic and really effective way of promoting your business. It costs a couple of £100 or dollars, and really the value that you get over the lifetime is so worth it. Even if just a couple of people call you from your van, it will pay off. But I have seen some terrible signed, written vans, so I'm going to share some do's and don'ts with you. For this one, I'm going to put on my coat and head outside and show you some great examples.
So the first thing is you want a big call to action on there. Whatever it is that you want someone to do for your business, so in this case it's call us, make sure it's big and obvious on there. Even better if you're just saying what it is, call us and then the number. The next thing is you want to have a big striking picture. So this one here of the cute little baby, we bought this off Shutterstock. If you do this, you want to choose the one with the biggest pixels possible. That way it can be blown up on the van and it doesn't lose any of the pixels and look a bit fuzzy. This sounds like a super simple one, but put exactly what it is that you do on there. The amount of vans that I've seen while sitting in traffic and thought, what the heck do you even offer? I don't know, I don't understand from your van. If you're paying money to advertise, make sure people know what it is that you're advertising. The next one is have a clean van. And looking at ours today, we're maybe not taking our own advice on this one, but always make sure you have a clean van. It is a moving billboard about your company, so it should reflect that and look super professional. It is essentially a blown up business card, and you wouldn't hand out a business card with a big coffee stain on it. No, so don't have a van that's got mud stains all over it either. Use readable fonts and easy to see colours. Bright colours always work really well, but make sure they're nothing like yellow that might not be visible in foggy conditions. The best way to do this, if you're looking at a vector, which is the image that you send off to the van's writing company, take a couple of steps away from your computer. Can you still see what that image says? You need to make sure that if your actual van had that on, if someone was a couple of meters away, they could still read your van. If you have a door that has a sliding door like this one, make sure that this is still going to say an okay message when it slides across. There have been some embarrassing examples of when a door is slid open, the message is either skewed or could say something a little bit wrong that you wouldn't want to advertise for your company. Here's a Starbucks example, which is a huge fail. There are some more examples if you type in van sliding door fail that are probably too rude for me to share on this video, but you can go and look them up in your spare time. Make sure your important information is up top. That way if someone's behind you in traffic, they can see the important information and it isn't cut off by the car in front. One cool thing that I've seen on vans before is a little waterproof box that contains your business cards. That way if someone's passing your van and wants to keep your contact details but doesn't have time to jot them down or scribble them into your phone, they can take one of your business cards and remember your details. The place I've seen you can buy these is at bizcardbox.co.uk. We have them on our vans and we think they're terrific quality, so go ahead and buy one from there.
I hope you found those do's and don'ts useful. Now I really want to know, what one thing is going to make your van stick out? Have you got an awesome picture, a funny slogan, or some great colour scheme? Whatever it is, comment below. I'd love to know, and I can even get back to you if you're undecided about two colours. Maybe we can help. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, the little thumbs up button below. That means that more people can see this video and they can get all of the same tips and avoid the mistakes that you've just heard. If you fancy subscribing to this video, it means you'll be the first to hear about tips just like this. I will see you in the next video, or maybe I'll even see you on the road now that your van looks so jazzy and eye-catching.
Hello! We're just filming a video.
What am I going to say?